Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Gladia. Today on IBeeTheChef, I will be making, drumroll please, fried beans. Not just any kind of beans, Toborgee beans. And the crowd go crazy and the crowd goes wild. Yay! Let's get started right now. So first off, I'm going to add all of the meat that I won't be frying to a pot. I'm going to add some onions, garlic, peppers, water, seasoning, and I'm going to let this steam for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can blend the peppers and onions if you want to. I am using smoked turkey and shrimp, but you can use any kind of meat you want to. After 5 to 6 minutes, I remove the shrimp because I don't like the shrimp overcooked. After 15 to 20 minutes, I remove the meat and the broth. I'm going to set this aside. So next, I'm going to season the fish and chicken and fry them. Sorry, I don't post on here frequently. You can find me on Instagram at IBeeTheChef. I usually post on there often if you kind of want to get an idea of what I am up to or different content from me. You can check me out on there. But I'm going to do my very best to post more videos on here. After boiling the beans, I'm going to blend half of it. I am frying the beans in the pot I fried the fish and chicken in. I am adding 1 diced red bell pepper. This is optional. I'm going to let this fry for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, I am going to add the meat and the broth. I'm going to let this cook until most of the liquid is reduced. After that, I'm going to add the chicken and the fish. After adding the fish, I'm going to turn the stove on low and cook this for about 5 minutes. I don't like my beans thick. I like it a little runny. So I'm going to stop here. I hope you enjoyed the video and you need to give this a try. Don't walk to the store. You need to run to the store and get all of the ingredients and give this a try. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.